Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Check it out. I decided to make more videos here in the garage, but the issue is that my garage is a mess. So I'm in the process of fixing the garage. I'm gonna fix things that I have in here, things that I have in there. I'm gonna fix everything. And the other thing is, like, I barely have any lighting. So I got new lighting. I'm gonna show it to you guys, but like I said, expect more videos here in the garage for this channel in particular. I'm enjoying it. And the Road King is right there. Still trying to figure it out. You're gonna see videos. I can't wait to go back to motor vlogging. But I went into Harbor Freight and I wanted to buy some stuff for, you know, the Road King, some tools and things like that. And I came across this, and apparently it's about $24. They gave it to me for like $19.99 because something with a coupon or something like that. But again, you know, this is the brown 4 feet LED hanging, and I'm about to show you. I'm going to show you a test kind of to give you an idea. As of right now, the bolt's on and my regular light here in the garage is on. So again, it's going to be 4 feet LED. They're going to be able to hang. It comes with a chain and it comes with a bunch of little things in there, but you know, you're going to need something to hang it too. So again, it comes with the chain and it comes with like a hook, but obviously you're going to need something to hang it, which I'm going to show you what I use in my, you know, what I did myself. So again, it's going to be 47 inches long. It has a pull tag, which I like a lot. Check it out. You see this? Boom. Boom. You see that different, right? So again, pull tag here is kind of cool, but obviously it's in the way, so you may hit it as you're walking in the garage. It doesn't matter to me. But again, comes with a pull tag. Lightweight, it's really light. It was really easy to install. You kind of have to have your own imagination. 30,000 LED life hours. And again, I like this because it was about 20 bucks, $24 typically. And again, you know, it gives you a lot of light. And guess what? You don't have to spend a ton of money, you know, modifying electrical and all that stuff. Maybe a code that you have to do for your house. Maybe you're renting a house and you don't want to do none of that stuff, right? So again, 5,000 hours lumens. So if you don't know, lumens is kind of like the measuring that the light has, and 5,000 is a lot. Here you got the chain and the little hooks right there. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you how I install it, but first we're kind of gonna do a test. All right, so this is what you got. This is just my regular lighting. You can see the difference right now. Just my regular lighting up here is right above me. That's why you have it all in my head. And before, when I was doing videos here, if you see the light right there, I had a light hanging from my, you know, my main channel. I took it out of my room and I put it here, but obviously I want to take that back to my studio, if you want to call it that. So again, this is what you got. Pretty much nothing. I want you to see the difference right here. Turn this one on. Boom. That's a lot of lighting. Turn this one on. And wow, look how much lighting you got here. So again, it feels pretty good. I'm going to tell you, LED lights. So I just got them a couple days ago. Maybe I do an update or a long-term review with quite some time from now. I don't think it's going to bring a lot of heat or anything like that. But again, this is what you got, and I think it's pretty cool. So here's a quick look how they look hanging from the ceiling, obviously. And I mean, just very, very simple. Like I say, it comes with this chain and a little hook that is right there. So what I did was that I got I had that little black part there, that kind of hook that I got here in the garage. I just looked through my screws and things like that. I found that. I figured out that the studs are running this way. So again, I actually, if you see the little holes right there, I actually got a nail and I started tapping until I pretty much hit the stud, and I hit the stud right there. So I put that in there. Again, little ghetto, but it's okay, it will work. And I ran this chain through that back into that right there. And again, that's pretty much how it works. So my garage opener is messed up. I've been trying to work on it, trying to see if I figured it out myself. I'm not getting anywhere, so I may have to buy another one. So right now, I'm not using this. So what I did, as you can see right here, that I came across and I connected right there. There's the other one right there, and I connected that one right there. So again, pretty simple. I like the fact that, again, you know, they just connect to this. Once I fix the garage opener, I'll probably get one of those blocks that you could put 2 lights or 2 outlets or something like that. So again, very, very simple. Press on the tab and there you have it right there. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.